Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the most popular and the most trusted Indian Ayurvedic customized hair care brand, and the brand is Vedix. And guys, as you all know that my main hair issue is the hair fall, and recently I have done my hair straightening again. I think this is the third time. Yeah, this is the third time, and after that तो मतलब पूछो ही मत. And meanwhile Vedix asked me to try their products, and initially I was like, why not? Then I went to their website and I took their hair questionnaire, and guys, they have asked me so many details like about my teeth, my food habits, my sleeping habits, my eyes, my nails, my eyelashes. I mean, eyelash कौन पूछता है यार? But not only that, they have asked me my menstruation cycle, like everything, and after that they have suggested me some products. Now we all know that hair fall is an internal problem, but Vedix try to balance it out externally, and that's why they will ask you so many questions about your habits. And guys, not only that, they just ask you some questions and suggest you some products. No, not that. They will create an entire pie chart, entire profile for you, and I will share my pie chart here. And guys, this profile called dosh profile, and my dominant doshes are Vata and Pitta. Now here I have learned three new words. Vata means air and ether, Pitta means fire, and Kapha means water and earth. And guys, according to my hair profile, my hair type is wavy with Pitta and Vata, and my natural hair is wavy. My hair concerned hair fall, my scalp oily, and my hair characterization dry with split ends, and that's true. They also says that it is essential for you to meet two goals with your hair care regime. The goal number one, balance your distressed Pitta Vata doshes with right combination of hair. Goal number two, use a combination of herbal extract to strengthen your hair roots and promote newly hair growth. And guys, finally they have suggested me three products, and the products are this anti-hair fall oil, this anti-hair fall shampoo, and this hair regrowth serum. And guys, they have sent me this entire box. Now this is their 1 month plan, but they also have 3 months plan, 6 months plan, but I will suggest at first go for this 1 month plan. If it works, then you will go for further. And now I'm going to show you the application, and I'm going to talk about the products a little bit. So let's move on to the application. So at first I'm going to talk about the oil. In this 1 month plan you are getting 100 ml of oil. So you have to take some oil and apply it all over on your scalp. Gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it on for at least 1 hour before washing it with Vedix shampoo. This hair oil has the ingredients like neem, lotus, bakuchi, tagara, amloki, etc, etc. This hair oil helps to repair the damaged cuticles and remove split ends, conditions your hair, control premature graying, reduces hair fall, and promote hair growth. You have to apply this oil every alternative day for first 3 months, and after which apply twice a week for maintenance. Now as I have chemically straightened hair, I used it once in a week. Next, move on to the shampoo, and this 1 month plan you are also getting 100 ml of the shampoo. So you have to apply the shampoo to wet hair, gently massage into a rich lather for scalp to end, then wash it off with water. Repeat if desired. Now this is an sulfate free natural coconut surfactant shampoo with no added synthetic. It cleanses the dust, pollution, excess oil and other particles from your scalp and hair and maintain the scalp pH. Next, move on to the hair regrowth serum, and here you are getting 50 ml of product. The serum comes with this dropper. You have to take 3 to 5 ml of the serum and apply all over on your scalp. Gently massage for 5 minutes. Use at least 2 hours before going to the bed. Leave it for overnight. Use every alternative day for first 3 months, after which apply twice a week for 4 weeks and then continue to apply once a week as maintenance. The serum helps to maintain your scalp pH, promote hair growth and also prevents dandruff. So guys, I have been using these products for last 3 weeks and I really like this serum. It actually reduces my oily dandruff and works on my hair regrowth. And guys, to be very honest, I haven't seen any drastic changes. It reduces my hair fall a little bit, but still I have hair fall problem and I think I have to use these products for long, and I will update about the products you later. And yeah, that's all about this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.